What's up? Welcome back. I got another unboxing for you today. This one's a little bit special. I stumbled upon a game called Clawee. Now, essentially, it's a in real time crane machine you can play through your phone, through Japan, obviously. And I won, believe it or not. So, I won about a month ago. As you see, it came from Ziqing, Hong City, Chong, Japan. China, same place. Anyhow, I went about a month ago, and it's a month later, so shipping didn't take that long. But let's just get right into it. See if I can set this up for y'all. Okay, we got a double layer, which is always good in case it's watery or rainy. And there you have it. So here it is. I won my Pikachu in a Charizard costume. The game said about 7 centimeters, so I believe this is 7 centimeters. It's really not that tall. It's about the size of my hand. Yeah, so I won a few more times. We'll come back with some more unboxing when they first come in. So you stay classy.